Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel, Living My Colors. So I haven't posted in a while. I just thought I would take this opportunity to give you a bit of a life update and also to show you around Trois-Rivières. This is where I am right now. Trois-Rivières was founded in 1634. It is one of the first cities built in Canada and also the second oldest city in the province of Quebec. So a beautiful place, a lot to see, a lot of historical buildings, and I'm walking around here. I want to show you around. Also give you a little bit of a life update. If you've been following in my last videos in Portugal, I had mentioned that I would be going in September to do the Camino de Santiago in Europe. This is still part of the plans, but there's been a little bit of changes, some good stuff coming your way. If you like Cuba videos, there's going to be a lot more of those coming. So I am still working. I'm working 2 jobs, very busy. That's why I haven't been filming actually. And yeah, lots gonna happen in the next few months. I am working until the end of the year. I'm working 2 jobs like I mentioned, so I haven't been filming as much, but hopefully by the end of the year everything's gonna come together. So the plan is that I go spend a few months in Cuba, and afterwards I will go and spend 3 months in France, Spain, and Portugal. So I'm going to be doing the Camino de Santiago, 2 Caminos actually. So the plan is to do the Via Podiensis in France as well as do the Camino Frances in Spain. So that's coming up, but really just I'm quitting everything. Really, that's what it is. I already started, I moved from my apartment. I started selling my things. I'm getting rid of almost everything. I have gotten rid of almost everything already. That's why I haven't been filming. It's been really busy, a lot going on, and that's how it is when you want to go and travel full time, be nomadic, just go with the flow, right? That's what I want to do. I want to go with the flow and just really enjoy my life, because it just goes too fast. It's just too fast. And so yeah, that's my life update. And yeah, I'm gonna show you around this beautiful city. Lots to see, as I said. Hopefully you find it interesting, and more videos coming hopefully soon. I know I haven't been posting as I posted regularly at the beginning of the year, but it was just a starting process. I know a lot of people start their channel where they're actually doing it full time. That is not what I did. I started in advance. It's all new to me. Filming was new, cameras were new, editing was new, but I've been really enjoying it. But just I was doing a lot of editing as well as working 2 jobs, so I was just so busy. It was just getting to be a little too much, but this is just the start of the beginning. Let's go and look around. Let's go and explore. It's not my first time here, but first time filming it. here is the Cogeco Amphitheater. So this place has apparently hosted quite a few big artists. I was told, like Celine Dion and ZZ Top. Looks pretty good. It's quite recent. Beautiful art right next to the amphitheater. And who is that? Oh, that's my husband. Say hi, husband. Hi. And right in front of this place is the Saint Laurent River. The Fleuve Saint Laurent. Just a beautiful place. You can just walk and walk. There is biking trails. And it's just a beautiful day. I came yesterday as well. It was really cloudy. I figured today would be just the perfect day for that. It's nice and sunny. So this completes the walking tour of Trois-Rivières. I hope you've enjoyed it. We're gonna stay here, enjoy a little bit the nice breeze. It's May. It's not the middle of the summer yet, so it's not too hot. It's just the perfect weather. I hope you're gonna keep watching along, and thank you for watching today. So please subscribe and keep watching, because we're gonna have a lot more interesting videos coming up. Sorry about the noise. I think they're practicing here at the amphitheater. I don't know. Thank you for watching.